Welcome and hello to the best followers. Today, I brought you a special and easy recipe for stuffed pastries, perfect for any occasion. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all new updates. Dough. Ingredients: 1 cup warm milk, 1 cup warm water, 1 cup oil, 3 eggs, 1 whole egg, plus 2 egg whites, and keep the yolk for brushing 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 tablespoons instant yeast, 7.5 cups flour. The cup size used is 250 milliliters. Filling: cheese, parsley. We start by kneading the dough well. After kneading, let the dough rise for 30 minutes. Once it has risen, shape it as desired and let it rise again in the baking tray for about 15 minutes. All ingredients will be listed in the description box in Arabic, French, and English.
Tous les ingrédients seront répertoriés dans la boîte de description en arabe, en français et en anglais.
Then, brush it with the egg yolk. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees and bake the pastries until they turn golden brown. Enjoy your meal and health to everyone who tries it. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments and like the video if you enjoyed it. Creating delectable pastries that are flaky, tender, and bursting with flavor is an art form that takes practice, patience, and a few insider tips. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, mastering the techniques of pastry making can elevate your culinary skills to new heights. Tips to help you achieve pastry perfection. 1. Start with quality ingredients. The foundation of any great pastry is high-quality ingredients. From premium butter to fresh eggs and top-notch flour, using the best ingredients you can afford will greatly enhance the flavor and texture of your pastries. 2. Keep it cool. When working with pastry dough, it's essential to keep your ingredients cold. Chilled butter and ice water help create those sought-after flaky layers that make pastries irresistible.